Today we're looking at an Ampeg V-4B bass amplifier, and the problem we're dealing with today is that the standby light, which is orange, is not functioning, and the issue with it is the 180K kilo ohm resistor, which is number R54. And as you can see, it's if you're looking from the back side of the amplifier, it's going to be on your left hand side near the capacitor, and all you have to do is just basically follow your orange pilot light to there, and it's wired in series. And what I've done right now is I've put up my meter to it, and I'm reading across it, but it's showing that it's an open circuit, so it's definitely not good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with one of these. It's a 1 watt 180K resistor. This one's a metal film, and that's what I'm going to do. So basically I'm going to desolder this. I've already have the plate on the bottom open, so I can just pull that out, and then I'll put this in there, and then it should work. So hopefully this will help some of you out there who are having the same problem. Apparently this has been going on for quite a while. Mine lasted for years, and then it just went out, and I never got around to do it. So today is a day that nothing's going on, and I will be taking care of it. Okay, we're looking at the V-4B, the Ampeg V-4B, and what we've done now is replaced the 180 kilo ohm resistor, and I've also had to clean out these jacks because they were, not jacks, excuse me, these switches, because they were arcing when I turned them on, and they were goopy. They had bad lubricant in there. It looks like they had been filled in with something that wasn't supposed to be there. This one had a lot of arcing carbon, and a lot of carbonization on it, and this one's actually pretty clean, but I took them apart and cleaned them up. So it's been standing by, warmed up for a bit, and let's see what we have. Before, this was not turning on, and when you turn this on or off, it didn't indicate, the pilot light didn't indicate if the standby was on or off. And now, here we go. So now we have the red and the orange pilot lamps going, and the bass is hooked up. So we're doing okay. And that's basically that. So we've fixed this this here, and I hope this helps you out there.